In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently start a PowerPoint presentation using keyboard shortcuts. This skill can significantly streamline your presentation setup, making it slicker and more professional. Perfect for those moments when you're keen to make an impactful start without fumbling through menus. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or a seasoned user looking for a productivity boost, this guide is tailor-made for you. Let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll need to do is open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like a basic step, but I assure you it's foundational. Opening PowerPoint will bring you to the initial screen where you can access recent presentations or create a new one. Once you're at the opening screen, it's time to open the file you intend to present. If it's a recent file, you might see it displayed prominently on the screen. If not, no worries, simply click on Open to navigate to the location of your presentation. This could be in your documents, on a shared drive, or even in the cloud. Selecting the correct file will load your presentation into PowerPoint, ready for the next step. The magic happens with this next action. Pressing Alt plus W. This might feel like pinching fairy dust out of the air, but it's a game changer. Alt plus W is your golden ticket, the shortcut that unveils the world of keyboard shortcuts within PowerPoint. By pressing these two keys together, you bring to light various shortcut keys that can make navigating through PowerPoint a breeze. Why is this step important? Well, by familiarizing yourself with keyboard shortcuts, you're not just learning a fancy trick, you're equipping yourself with the ability to rapidly maneuver through your presentation, edit on the fly, or even troubleshoot without leaving the presentation view. It's about enhancing efficiency, reducing reliance on the mouse, and keeping your presentation flowing smoothly. A quick tip here. Once you have opened the keyboard shortcut overlay with Alt plus W, take a moment to skim through the options. You'll notice shortcuts for almost every action you can think of within PowerPoint. This includes not just starting a presentation, but also editing slides, inserting images, formatting text, and much more. Knowing even a handful of these shortcuts can significantly speed up your PowerPoint use. Beyond just the startup, these shortcuts can help you during your presentation too. For instance, knowing how to swiftly jump to a specific slide or play and pause embedded videos can help maintain the momentum of your presentation. It keeps your audience engaged as you seamlessly navigate through your slides, all without the audience seeing you work the controls. Let me also highlight an essential aspect of using keyboard shortcuts. Practice. It might seem a bit daunting initially to remember specific key combinations, especially if you're used to clicking around with your mouse. However, like any new skill, it gets easier and more intuitive the more you use it. Start with a few basic shortcuts such as Alt plus W and gradually incorporate more into your routine. You'll be surprised at how quickly they become second nature. Now you might wonder, what next? Well, after revealing those keyboard shortcuts with Alt plus W, you are essentially armed to tackle PowerPoint presentations more confidently and efficiently. Whether you're preparing for a critical business meeting, an academic lecture, or any presentation scenario, knowing these shortcuts can significantly enhance your delivery. As we wrap up, remember that mastering PowerPoint is not just about presenting information, it's about storytelling and how effectively you can communicate your message. A smooth, uninterrupted flow helps maintain your audience's focus on your content, not the mechanics of your presentation. I encourage you to open PowerPoint after this video and try it out. Start with opening the application, fetching your presentation, and then press Alt plus W. Explore the shortcuts, practice, and in no time you'll feel more empowered using PowerPoint than ever before. Thank you for spending these 5 minutes with me. I hope this guide on using keyboard shortcuts in PowerPoint has empowered you with the knowledge to make your presentations more efficient and engaging. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and with these shortcuts you're one step closer to mastering PowerPoint. Keep practicing and see how much smoother your presentation experience can become.